All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Want to go ahead and talk about what's coming from Samsung. So if you hit the link in the description, reserve yours. It's just to get you a placeholder, basically, and you also get a credit. Looks like, and for what I'm seeing here, it's probably gonna be some big time values on trade-ins. Now, here is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And based on what I'm seeing from Samsung, this new device that they're kind of touting and making it seem like it's going to be so thin and so great, it might be a game changer. So I am super excited to see what they actually do. Now, this is just to reserve the place to get you they give you like a little $50 credit or something like that. But the trade-in values, from what I can tell, it's going to be pretty nice this time with the trade-in values. So I'm pretty excited about what's to come. So use the link in the description and just go check it out if you want to, just to see the video that I'm talking about, or you can just use it to reserve. It's just your name and email. We do it all. I do it every year. I reserve, even if I don't know that I'm going to buy the phone or not, I still reserve. Because I've found that sometimes I've wanted something and I didn't reserve, and I end up not getting those credits. So I reserved mine already. So I'm going to share with you. It's time to get in there and reserve yours. So make sure you use the link in the description and grab yours. So this phone that they're showing, or whatever they're showing in this video, is actually it is super thin. Now I'm recording with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, if you're wondering, using a little bit of external mic here because it's a little bit of an echo in here, but nonetheless, I am excited and very pumped up to see what Samsung does next. This is going to be very interesting. So it costs you nothing. It doesn't hurt you at all. Just hit the link and watch the video at least. Even if you don't want to reserve, I'm telling you though, reserve it, because if you end up liking it and you have something like the 6, 5, 4, just whatever the older foldables are, I think it's going to be really good trade-ins this year on this phone. So I don't know that I'd want to give up mine, but I might do it if the trade-in is right. Because remember, I traded in last year. I was like, I told people, oh, you shouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. But then when I saw the trade-in values, I got like 1650 off this phone, or it was pretty much just a couple $100 for me. So I was like, whoa. And your discounts will be what you're trading in. So I think in the end, I ended up getting like $1,500 off for this. And this phone is roughly $2,000 because I got the terabyte version. I think it was $2,000. This is a terabyte version. So I'm going to shoot for the terabyte version again because I got mine reserved. And I'm going to get it regardless, folks. I'm not going to not get it. I'm going to cover all the Samsung products that I can cover because they're still the ones that's pretty much doing a lot of the innovation in the United States. But we haven't seen anything from other OEMs with a different kind of foldable phone in the United States. And I don't think we're going to see anything yet. I'm hopeful. I really do want something. But until then, Samsung is might be doing something good here. I'm really intrigued. When I clicked on the link myself and I saw the video, I was like, whoa, this might be something good. They're calling it the next Galaxy. So I'm hopeful that it's as thin as the Galaxy S25 Edge and foldable, because that's a lot thinner than this phone, I'm telling you. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick video. Just want to tell you about the link to reserve yours. I just reserved mine. So as a creator, I got to share with you. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Use that link. Get in there and get yours reserved, folks. Doesn't hurt you at all. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. I'm out.